Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to buy bitcoins on Coinbase. All right, so if you've been wondering how to buy bitcoin on Coinbase, this video is definitely for you. It's gonna be a really quick one, just gonna give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Coinbase account. You can log into your Coinbase account on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the buy sell tab. Now once you're there, you can select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency to buy, and then you want to enter the amount to buy and choose the payment method that you want to use. And once that's done, you just need to review the transaction details and confirm the purchase. And once all that is taken care of, you just want to wait for the transaction to be processed and for the bitcoins to be credited to your account. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to buy bitcoins on Coinbase. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in